Okay, so today I'm going to show you a Goodman heat exchanger that we pulled out of a customer's house. This is a tubular heat exchanger, just one of the 80s from Goodman. As you can see the difference in between where the heat spots were, where actually all this heat was coming through here. You can actually see all the oxidation and everything. And down the bottom where the flame is actually coming out, you can see it still has the zinc and the coating on it. But this is the spot that you really want to look for. Right where the flame comes in and it makes this first bend on the backside. This backside is the thinnest part of the metal. You can see here it's not looking too bad, but this is, remember, an 8-year-old heat exchanger, only 8 years old. And because this thing did not have good enough airflow and it had too small a ductwork, check out what happened in 8 years. Now, we did not modify those at all. That is 100% what we pulled it out as. The carbon monoxide detectors were going off in the house, and you can see, I mean, this is huge. My finger fits in there. I mean, those are not small holes. That is what happens when you have too small of ductwork. Now, for a lot of people that go out and look, and you know, some of the NATE guys or some of the guys that will keep into a classroom when they're learning all this, these are under negative pressure, you're right. It's the possibility of rolling carbon monoxide out of these is pretty rare. But when you have a hole this big and it's right on the first bend where it comes through, I don't really care who you are, that's going to be causing carbon monoxide. This is very dangerous to have in a house, and that will be getting into the airstream. So the very first thing that you want to look for when you're looking at a tubular heat exchanger is try to get your hand back here. Try to get on the back side of this. And most of them you can't, get all the way back here, but if you can get your hand in there, get your hand on the back side of this, and you can just feel that, that's how you know these things are starting to fall apart. So that's the first place that you're going to want to look for.